again, folks. I just thought I'd do a little update on the cabinet. My furniture has arrived. Door furniture. So handles, basically. I've taken all the old hinges off because they weren't fit for purpose. These are actually bent. And the reason for that is these doors are like 30 mil thick. Like 1.25 inches in old money. So yeah, basically took them off. I'll put some new hinges on what go from the full length of the door, the spine of the door when I actually put them on. So I've done the fronts of the doors and the fronts of the drawers, giving it all a light sand, fixed the plinth on along the front, as you can see, denailed that. This one on the side I had to plane the belly out the middle because this side of the cabinet has actually got a curve to it like that. So when you put straight wood on, it was just rocking. So I had to take a bit of a belly out there so it sits flat to get the corners right. Also, I've had to adjust the shelves inside because they measure 25 mil up from the base unit floor, and then they use that line to put the bottom of a batten on that side and the top of a batten on that side. So we had a nice sloping shelf. So that's been rectified. There was also no support underneath, no bracing for this base unit floor. So I've put some supports in there so we can now take substantial weight without it bellowing and bowing in the bottom. So it's had some modifications. It's coming together. It's all in one piece. I've got my bits and bobs. It's just a matter of getting it all stained up now. And then we'll see what it looks like. In between Henry pinching with the sheet, I've even had to put another one down for him because he keeps laying on mine. Look at him, all innocent look. And then over here I've still got all my picking going on. So yeah, next video will be a picking video. I'm currently working on Hoz's challenge locks among things, as well as practicing with disc detainers. So yeah, that's it for now, folks. Anyway, till next time, we'll pan back over here. That's it for now, and yeah, we'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.